In this video, we're going to be showing you how to pixelate a picture in Canva. So we have this beautiful dog here and would like to pixelate this picture. So all we need to do is to click on the image, and then you have the edit image at the top left corner here. We're going to click on it. And when you scroll down, you're going to see apps. And then at the right corner here, you're going to see the arrow and you're going to click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see Pixelify. You're going to click on Pixelify. So this is an app in Canva that helps you to pixelate your pictures. As you can see here, this is going to be the output from this original image. Now you can slide the scale from right to left to adjust the scale. So if we put it to the extreme, we're going to have this, which is pretty much nothing right now. So we're going to take it to about 10. And in 10, you can see that the picture is pixelated. The next thing to do is to click on Replace. And that's going to replace the image you have here. As you can see, Pixelify has successfully uploaded the media to your library. You can close this, and now you have your image pixelated. So this is how to pixelate a picture in Canva.